Is there going to be a new alt season soon, or do we have to wait a little while? I will tell you everything about it in this video. I will first have a look at Bitcoin on several time frames and then I will discuss some altcoins with you. So slap up that like button, comment on the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss a video. Follow me on X where I update you about the crypto markets, and let's dive right into the charts. First, I want to start with this Ethereum/Bitcoin pairing, because this pairing shows when a new alt season will happen. And we can see Ethereum is losing value in relationship to Bitcoin. When this parallel channel is breaking to the top side, we maybe can see a new alt season. But for now, we have to be a little bit patient. And we can see this huge resistance/support area for this pairing. And currently we are back at this support. What we want to see for this pairing is that we are going to hold this support and that we're going to visit the topside resistance of this falling channel and then maybe break out to the top side and retest the formation as support and then aim for a higher level. So when this pattern breaks out to the top side, we will see a new alt season, and you can see this here. When we saw a huge rise for Ethereum, that was back in the April 2021, we saw a huge alt season unfolding. So for now we have to be a little bit patient. Another reason that we have to be a little bit more patient for alt season is that a lot of huge institutions are buying into the Bitcoin ETF. Earlier this week we saw that with the state of Wisconsin purchased 163 million into the Bitcoin ETFs. So that's huge. So institutional money is going into the Bitcoin ETFs, and the same happened for a big pension fund called Millennium Management. They put in $2 million into the Bitcoin spot ETF, so that's huge. And yeah, what we mostly are seeing is that when Bitcoin is rising, the profits of Bitcoin going back to big altcoins like Ethereum and other big altcoins. But now they are investing into the Bitcoin ETF, so that money will stay in Bitcoin and won't flow into other altcoins. So that's another reason that we have to be a little bit more patient for the next alt season. And as I was discussing yesterday, the CME gap was around the $67, and we are currently seeing that we are around this, trading around this level. So that was as I was expecting, and we can see this level acts as like a magnet for the Bitcoin price, and I expect that we are going to see a little bit sideways action this weekend, and that we are going to close this CME gap at the end of the weekend. So yeah, I don't expect a little bit more volatility for Bitcoin this Sunday, and then on Monday we can maybe expect a little bit more volatility again. And another very interesting pattern I want to discuss with you is this daily pattern for Bitcoin. It's this huge bull flag pattern. You can see a huge run up, then a big consolidation we're in right now, but we can see Bitcoin is testing the upper side resistance, and yeah, for this day I don't think we are going to see a breakout because it's the weekend. But the next week we can potentially see a breakout to the top side, a retest of this falling channel, and then retest the previous resistance as support, and from there we can aim for higher levels. And when this move happens, yeah, we can see levels around the 92,000 unfolding. So that's the breakout target for this bull flag. But first we have to see a breakout of this target and a confirmation of the breakout. And also other possible scenarios that we're going to see lower levels from here, and that we're going to visit the lower side support. So this is a very interesting pattern I'm looking at on the daily time frame. And if you want to trade these kind of breakout for Bitcoin, you can just sign up with the links in the description. You can sign up for Bybit with this partner link. You can get up to 30,000 in bonuses, and you can also sign up with this CoinW link in the description. And if you click on the CoinW link, you will come on this landing page. You can get 5 USDT in cash when you sign up, and you can get other bonuses when you deposit money or when you trade futures. So just sign up and start trading. 2 days ago I discussed this altcoin with you. This altcoin is Chainlink. We can see Chainlink was back in this range because here it fell down from the support, and we tested this lower side support area, which held very strong. And we could also see this consolidation pattern for Chainlink unfolding on the daily time frame. We broke to the top side due to the huge news for Chainlink, and yeah, currently we are back at this resistance level, and we can see the resistance is unfolding for Chainlink. In the past we can see multiple touch points as resistance and also as support. So what we want to see for Chainlink is that we want to see a breakout to the top side, a retest of the previous resistance as support, and from there you can enter along in this position and aim for higher prices. But first we have to wait for a breakout confirmation. What is also another possible scenario is that we are going to see a little bit more rejection from here and that we have to aim for lower levels again. So keep in mind that we always have multiple scenarios. Another interesting altcoin I want to discuss with you is BitTensor Tau. BitTensor Tau has been in this huge run-up because of the AI hype. It's also an AI project, and we can see Tau is almost back at this support area and is creating this falling wedge with multiple touch points on the top side as resistance and multiple touch points at the downside as support. So this price is getting squeezed into this apex with this falling wedge, and we can see maybe a little bit more consolidation to the downside. And if this huge support is getting strong enough, then maybe we can see a bounce from this level, break out to the top side, retest the previous resistance, trendline resistance as support, and from here you can enter the market in the long, and then we can aim for higher prices. And if we break out to the top side, the breakout target to the top side will be around the $650. So that's an insane trade to make. And yeah, BitTensor Tau is also a very interesting project for the long term. And last month it was listed on Binance, so that's another huge indicator this is a very serious project. The last altcoin I want to discuss with you is Solana. Solana has seen this huge support and resistance area, and last week we were in this consolidation phase on the daily time frame, and we can see a beautiful break to the top side. But we can also see that that Solana is currently at this resistance area because previously it acted as support multiple times, and now we are seeing that it turned into the resistance. So for the next week we can see multiple scenarios unfolding for Solana. Of course we want to see a break to the top side, retest the previous resistance as support. From there we can aim for high levels, or we can see a rejection from this point. That's more possible, I think. And then we can also see that Solana is retesting the previous resistance from this consolidation pattern to test it as support, and from there we can aim for higher levels. And then we can also see a beautiful uptrend because we broke out of the wedge, we retested as support, we break this resistance, and then we also test it as support and come then further back up. So this will be very healthy price action for Solana. So this was it for today. Don't forget to slap up that like button, comment under the video, and follow me on YouTube to never miss a video in the future. You can follow me on X, where I post my daily Bitcoin content and also some crypto news in general. I also have a free Telegram group you can just join, and we can talk there about Bitcoin. I hope you find this video useful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.